welcome to the channel. Now today we will learn how to design a cool YouTube intro on Canva. I believe that a lot of you have seen people using Adobe After Effects or Photoshop to design for their channel. However, if you are a beginner or just started up on YouTube, we can actually use Canva to design a pretty good YouTube intro, and it's free. First of all, we should open up Canva. As what you should do, then you can go to here and type in YouTube video. Then it will actually guide you to a tons of templates over here. You can see. If you're too lazy or you don't have any idea on how to design your own YouTube intro, you can always select from one of these templates that you have, then just change the wordings and put in your own pictures or videos. However, I would like to show you how I design my YouTube intro. First of all, once we click in, it will display a blank canvas for you. Then go to this. I love black color, so I'll go with black. Then we should put in our text. Select your favorite font. I will go with this. And master the use of Canva. The wording is a little bit too big for me. This is too small. Go to this. Then move it maybe around here. And then I would like to add a line here. I will go to Elements, type in line, enter. I'll select this. And from here we can actually select adjust the thickness of the line. And also here you can select whether you want it to be dotted or not. I will adjust the line here. Right. Next I will put this Canva wording into the color of Canva, the logo of the Canva, so it's more relatable to whoever who are watching your video. Next, I think I would like to have a video within this template. You can look for videos, audio, graphics, or all kinds of photos from here, from this element. I'll go to the one that I've just searched, this, place it around here. Now we can see that the length of the video is 10 seconds. This is a little bit too long for me. I will trim it down to 3 seconds. Nice. Then we'll press done. Then I would also like to have my channel's logo over here. I'll copy this, copy, paste. Change it to smaller fonts. This is too small. Alright, I like this. Then type in. Do you know how to? I usually like to adjust this text box to the length of this text because the alignment will be more accurate. This. And I would like to have the logo of my channel. If you are like me, that you're too lazy to design your own logo, you can actually just type any letters that you want. Mine is J. Then you have like tons and tons of options for you. This is the one that I've chose. Go to white color, adjust it, then place it here. Right, okay. And personally, I think this is still a little bit too plain for me. What I would like to do is I'll go back to elements. I love gradient elements, so I type in gradient. I will also like the elements to be animated, and this is one of the tips that I can give y'all. You can always go to filter, and if you're using the free member on Canva, you can tick free, animated, apply filter, and there you have. All of these are free. You can use all of them. I like this but not this color, and I would like to look for something more similar as this. What you can do is go to these 3 small dots, click on it, see more like this, and there you have elements that most similar as the ones that I would like to. I like this one, I'll click on it. This is too big, I'll adjust it smaller. Here, I would also like it to have on the top left corner. What I would do is select it, copy, paste, drag it towards here. We can go to flip horizontal, and then vertical. And there you have it. I usually will also adjust the transparency of this so it looks kind of like blended with the background. Also, if you would like to animate on how the text come into screen, we can always highlight them, group them together so they will come in together. Go to animate, and these are all the options that you have. And please take note that if you are not a premium membership, the ones that with crowns, you will have to pay in order to use them. But no worries, we have other 5 options that we can use here. I think I like this pen, and also I would like this video and my logo to come in together. I'll group them together, animate them, and the same effects. If you want to preview how it goes, we can always go to here, press it. Then there you have it. And next thing that we have is within 5 minutes. What I will usually do is that I will copy this, click here and paste it, change the word within. Now you can see that this is a little bit awkward. What we can do is that right click, ungroup them, so we can just move this. I'll move it up here a bit within. Okay. And also group them back together. Remember, copy, paste here, ungroup them. 5 minutes. I don't like it this way. What I can do is I'll go to alignment, press it, and you can adjust how you want them to look like. I like it this way. And next, this is tool playing for us. What you can do is go back to elements, look for anything that you want from here. I will go back to our recent used and just select the one that I've just selected. Make it smaller to fit into the wording. Right, now you can see that the video is actually in front of this word. What we can do is right click, send backwards, and then we can also trim the length of the video. I'll put it at same 3 seconds. Done. Okay. Now what we can see is that the wording are a little bit too blended in with the video. What we can do to make the wording to stand out is we can click on it, go to effects, and lift them. Now you can see the difference, right? So here I will do the same to them. Alright, I will group them again so they will come back to in together. And I personally want something more in this frame, so what I would do is I already selected this gradient here, make it bigger, and the same thing, I would like it to be at the back of the video. I'll right click it, send to back, and I will usually adjust the transparency of it to make it more blended in and not to distract people's attention from it. Right, then we can adjust the animation. Same again, I will use stomp because I already know the music that I actually want it to be, so they will match them to my music. And next, the last thing, you can tell that it's very different from the first 2 slides because what I've used was actually a video to be as the background of my slide. So what I've just done was select a video from the elements, then I'll drag it, enlarge it, so this will actually be our background. And 30 seconds is too long. I'll do the same thing, I'll adjust it to 3 seconds. And I would like to have the same font in this. I'll ungroup them. I don't need this. Adjust them again. I'll just type in journal how to. I will actually make them slightly smaller. Put it here. Not directly in the center because here I will have the logo. This. Please do remember to ungroup everything if you just want to select one of them. If not, Canva will actually copy and paste the entire thing. Put it here. Select them and group them together. And please remember to go back and group your elements together so they will come in together. Here. There you have. And I would like to add some more here. Width. I will go to effects, change the font, how it looks like, put it here. I want it to have different layers, so what I will do is copy paste. We have 2 types of them now. I'll go to another one and then adjust the transparency of it so you can have like this visual effects that you have that we have over here. Right, if you want to be a little bit extra like me, you can always go back to gradient and select any animated stuff that you like. I'll put them here. Now you see that it's actually covering the logo. So again, I'll go back to transparency and adjust it to my liking. Alright, now we can preview to see if everything is what we want. Go to here. Okay, this is pretty good actually. Now we realize that we are lacking of audio, which is one of the most important elements in audio. Here in elements, yes, we do have audio for our whichever things that we want to search here, audio. But however, it's important to take note that if you are planning to monetize your YouTube videos, we cannot actually use the audio on Canva. Please remember this, it's very important, because in my previous videos I have actually used the audio from Canva and I plan to monetize them, but unfortunately there was actually a copyright claim on my video, so I can't actually monetize them even though they didn't take down my video. So what I will usually do is that I will go back to YouTube. I will look for royalty free, no copyright music. So I personally like Whitebad Audio and their music are actually copyright free, and what you have to do is just credit them in your YouTube videos. So I have already downloaded their audios from their links and uploaded them in Canva. Here you can see. So now I will actually select this and put it in our slides here. Now here, this is the one that will be played in your audio. What we want is that it will actually match the timing of our slides. What I will do is I will drag them and check if it's in line with our animation. Alright, we'll play it. Now that's it. Here you can go to download and then save it as MP4 video. Now if you would also like to learn how to design a YouTube outro, please click to the link down in the description. Over there you can learn how to design your YouTube outro easily with Canva. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you the next time.